Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing one of the most versatile ultra-wide monitors of 2025, the Samsung ViewFinity S65UC 34-inch curved monitor. This is an Ultra-WQHD display packed with premium features like 100Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync, HDR10, USB-C, built-in speakers, and even a KVM switch. Let's break it down and see why this monitor might be the perfect fit for your desk. Desktop computer, display and design. This 34-inch curved panel features a 3440 by 1440 Ultra WQHD resolution, offering crisp visuals and an immersive viewing experience. The 1000R curve pulls you into your work or media, helping reduce eye strain and keeping everything within your natural field of view. Build quality is premium, with slim bezels and a clean, minimalist stand that fits perfectly in both office and gaming setups. Artist palette, color and performance. What makes this monitor stand out is its HDR10 support and vibrant color reproduction. Whether you're editing content, watching movies, or gaming, the display pops with rich detail and contrast. The 100Hz refresh rate combined with AMD FreeSync keeps motion smooth and responsive, perfect for both casual gaming and fast-paced workflows. Shuffle tracks button, KVM switch and connectivity. This is a huge win for multitaskers. The built-in KVM switch allows you to control two devices, like a laptop and desktop, with just one keyboard and mouse. Plus, it includes USB-C with 90W charging, HDMI, DisplayPort, and multiple USB-A ports, making cable management a breeze. It's truly a productivity hub. Speaker high volume, speakers and extras. Yes, it has built-in speakers. While they won't replace dedicated speakers for audiophiles, they're perfect for calls, videos, or light media use. The included eye saver mode and flicker-free technology are nice additions for long working hours. Package, final verdict. If you're a professional, creative, or power user looking to upgrade your workflow with a stylish, high-performance monitor, the Samsung ViewFinity S65UC delivers. Great resolution, immersive curve, versatile ports, smooth performance, and multitasking features like the KVM switch, all at a competitive price point. Thumbs up, highly recommended if you're looking for a curved ultra-wide that balances work and play beautifully. Shopping cart link in the description to check current pricing. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on tech reviews. See you in the next one.